Why does your scanner show the P0808 engine code? What does it mean? P0808 is a diagnostic trouble code for clutch position sensor A circuit high. This engine code indicates that this means the vehicle's ECM has detected a voltage that is too high in the circuit for the clutch position sensor, often preventing the engine from starting by failing to close the clutch start switch. Under this circumstance, stop driving and repair your vehicle immediately. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error can be caused by these possible faults in your vehicle. Faulty clutch position sensor. Damaged or corroded wiring or connectors. Broken ground strap. Faulty control module, PCM or TCM. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error code occurs in any OBD2-equipped vehicles, especially those in manufacture since 1996. It is commonly found in Chevrolet, Mazda, Ford, and among others. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.